In this video, we're going to show you how to install washer nozzles on your Ford Focus located on the top portion of your hood. Now with the hood open, you're going to locate two nozzles. There's going to be one on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. You want to go ahead and separate the hose component from the nozzle itself. Chances are you're going to be replacing this because one of these or both of them broke. But if maybe one of them is dirty or clogged and you're going to replace them, you're going to do this. There's going to be a little black clip right here. You're going to notice there's a little opening on the other side. And you can remove this clip. You can use a pocket screwdriver and remove this clip. It's going to push it off a little bit and it releases the locking collar on this here. Now this unit here has two little tabs. There's going to be one here, one on the bottom. Now you can use a pair of pliers. We're going to pinch these together and push that up through the top of the hood. On the outside, I'm going to grab that, pull it up and out. There's your component. You're going to take your new component. You want to make sure that the nozzle itself is going to be facing the correct direction when you install it. Otherwise, the nozzle will be facing the front of the hood, and that's not going to be good. So I'm going to take this, we're going to feed it through the hole in the hood. Line it up, and we're going to push down, and it's going to lock in. It's locked into place on the hood. Now we're going to take our hose, we're going to line this up and just pinch that on. Give it a little tug, make sure it's locked in. Now you want to go ahead and repeat this process for the other side. At that point there, you can go ahead and spray that windshield, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.